In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom size project on Canva. Having the ability to determine the size of your project is essential for a wide range of design needs, especially if you're aiming for precise dimensions that standard templates can't provide. Whether you're designing a unique business card, a banner, or even a special social media graphic, setting a custom size will ensure that your design fits perfectly wherever you choose to display it. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Canva in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Custom Size. Click on that button to begin the process of creating a design tailored to your specific size requirements. This is where you'll have the freedom to start molding your project before any creative elements even come into play. Next, you'll be prompted to select the unit of measurement you'd like to use. Canva offers several options to choose from, including pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Selecting the right unit is crucial depending on the type of project you're working on. For example, if your design will be printed, inches or centimeters might be more suitable. On the other hand, pixels could be ideal for digital designs. Choose the unit that aligns best with your planned usage. Now that you've selected your units, it's time to enter the dimensions. You'll see two fields labeled width and height. Simply type in the numbers corresponding to your desired size. This will define the actual physical dimensions of your project. For instance, if you're creating a small card, you might enter something like 3 by 3 inches. Typing these numbers accurately is vital, as these will directly affect how your design will appear and fit into its intended purpose. Once you've input your dimensions, make sure to double check them for accuracy. It's a simple but important step to ensure that you won't encounter any surprises later on. After confirming your dimensions, go ahead and click the Create New Design button. This will take you to a new canvas specifically set to your chosen size, allowing you to proceed with adding elements, text, colors, and any other creative flair you have in mind. And that's it! You've successfully started a custom size project on Canva, perfect for tailoring your designs to meet any specific requirements. Experiment with different sizes and see how they can enhance your design projects. Remember, precision in dimensions can make all the difference in the clarity and impact of your final product. Happy designing!